Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content using AI. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now search for openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. Just scroll down. Under Featured, you can find this option of ChatGPT. Click on it. Now again scroll down, you can see this option of Try ChatGPT. Click on it. Now you have to log in or sign up. If you haven't created the account, you have to sign up. If you have created, you can easily log in. As I have already created my account, I'm going to easily log in. Through AI's ChatGPT, you can easily create content. At the bottom side, you can see this kind of chat box after logging in into the ChatGPT. Now over here, you have to just ask your question. Here I'm gonna ask write script on web 3.0 and then you have to click on this arrow. In few seconds your content is ready. You can use AI ChatGPT for creating contents as letters, notes, generating codes and many more. If you are not satisfied with this one, you can just click on try again and it will generate new content for you. You can just click on regenerate response. In this way, you can easily create content using AI. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.